So let's start with the question, what is a renovation loan? Simply stated, a renovation loan is a first mortgage, one-time close construction product that's specifically designed to fund remodels, both large and small. They can be used to refinance your existing home, or you can use a renovation loan to buy a new home and roll in the renovation costs. I want to talk about the similarities between a renovation loan and a conventional loan. Really, in the end, it's the same program. You have the same loan once you're finished with your remodel project. There are some significant differences. So first, I want to talk about the appraisal process. On a conventional loan, when you request an appraisal, they're going to appraise the current home and you're going to be able to borrow 95, 97, maybe even 100% of your purchase price. If you're trying to do a cash out loan, a conventional refinance is going to be capped at 80% of your current value. So that can be pretty disappointing when you have big plans. Maybe you've started looking into a renovation, and when you found how hard it is to get the financing, you've given up or decided you need to save for a while. Well, a renovation loan solves a lot of these problems. Your appraised value is going to be based on the plans. We're going to submit your plans to the appraiser, and he's going to come back and tell us what that home would be worth in its finished state today. So that's one big difference. On renovation loans, we're usually working with a much higher value. We also get to lend a higher percentage of your appraised value. That's especially attractive when you compare that to a cash out refinance that's capped at 80%. Depending on the product, you can borrow as much as 95, 97%, even in some cases over 100% of the finished value. That means if you already have a little equity, we may be able to fund your entire project. And on purchase transactions, you can finance the remodel plans above and beyond your purchase price. Your down payment on a purchase is based on the combined total project cost, and your down payment can be as low as 5% or even 3.5% for FHA. In either case, you get it all wrapped into a single first position fixed rate conventional or FHA loan. It's really cool. It's a loan program designed especially for remodels. So how are we able to do this? We underwrite and we document your whole project with plans, contractors, bids. All of that information is in your file before closing. And then we stay involved after closing. We can only lend this much if we're really assured that the work is going to get done. So at closing, the funds are going to be set aside in a construction escrow account. And then like a construction loan, you'll go through a draw process. You'll hit certain milestones, you'll request a draw, the work will be inspected, and the funds are released to your contractors. When the work is all finished, we settle up. Any excess funds get applied back to your loan, and you settle into your long-term conventional loan. We're an experienced, dedicated team of renovation lending experts. We have access to everything from construction loans to home equity loans, and we're experts in renovation. Give us a call today. We would love to hear about your project and help you find the very best way to finance it.